Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing really well. In today's video, we're actually going to do something I said I would do quite a few videos back, and that was to show you how to do the snap method, where you take something you've created with Jesmonite, snap it up, and then put it back in the mold and add more Jesmonite. Now, the reason I'm coming on to tell you in the beginning is that this did not go to plan, but we've kind of killed two birds with one stone in this video. The first bit of the video, I'm going to show you how it's done. The second bit, I'm going to show you what really happened. I could not snap this Jesmonite with all the strength in the world. I ended up having to get a hammer, and yeah, and even then it was really tough. Now, a few videos back, somebody asked me if I could do a smash test, asked how strong it was, would it withstand being dropped on the floor. So this video is kind of gonna cover all of that. It's gonna cover it all. So I'm gonna show you how the snap is done and how you then go and make something with that piece, and I'm also going to show you what really happened and having to get a hammer and how hard it was even using a hammer to smash this stuff. This is the fun part. There's absolutely no rules as to how you snap these. I am not a lover of 50-50. That's just my personal preference. I like quarters, you know, so I like a lot of colour here and just a little bit of colour here. But depending on your style, your own personal taste, snap it however you want to. So I'm just going to demold. And that's a lovely shade of black. We've got some intrusion right there. So I'm going to take that off. Now I'm going to snap it as best I can around this area. Only I could not snap it. I could not snap it. I couldn't smash it. I couldn't whack it. I could not break this Jesmonite. And that is because I left it too long. I left it for 40 minutes. Ideally, you want to demold after 25 and snap straight away. So I'm going to show you right now what it's meant to do. So here we are. Go for it straight away. There you go. It is so soft at this stage. So I'm actually going to snap both. I'm going to take the end off. It's like breaking a cookie, okay? I don't know why I said cookie when I mean biscuit. You can see it's still wet because it's leaving black ink on my hands. And we're going to get adventurous and just break a long way. Okay, these are all sections that I can put back in. See how easy this is crumbling? It's soft, it's crumbly, but there you have it. I have my sections of the mould that I can put back in any which way I choose and see what patterns we come up with. So that is how it's meant to be done, demolded after 20 to 25 minutes. Do not leave it any longer than that. I am telling you, okay? We're now going to see what happened when I left it for 40 minutes. It's a whole other ball game. It was not impossible. I got my hammer out, but that's not ideal. We don't want to be doing that every time. So we're going to look now, and then you'll see how strong it is, and that will hopefully answer your questions about how smash proof it is or how breakable it is and what happens. Yeah, how breakable is it? It's not that breakable. This is too funny. This is a really good advert for Jesmonite strength. This is actually this is actually showing you guys how tough this stuff is, okay? I left it 40 minutes because I needed the other two molds to cure. Anyway, it feels like it's a bit too long. I'm going to get a hammer. In the meantime, I'm going to try the plate. Now, what I could do is lean on here and chop it with my hand here, but we'll see what it looks like. That is such a lovely black. Such a lovely black. Let's see if it works better with this one. This one's still quite hot, so I have hope. Why? Why did I... Right, listen, we're going to put it back in the mould, okay? And we're going to lean hard on it here. Okay, we caught that on film. Yeah, we snapped it. Oh, thank goodness one of them worked, honestly. Okay, we have a nice one here. Let's put some pressure on this side. Okay, we've got another piece. And we're going to go again on this side. Oh. Okay, sorry for the dramatic sound effects, but now we have some nice chunks. I'm going to get this one to go in half. I'm just using this to kind of protect my hands, if you like. Okay, lovely. Now, we've got some really nice shapes here, but these guys don't want to break. Right, I've bought reinforcements. Do not judge my hammer. I have had this most of my adult life. So, we're going to give it a whack. Yeah, I might have to make another one. Okay, scrap this video. Yay! Finally, we got a Pac-Man. Okay, so that's actually quite a nice chunk, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and get those bits off because they won't look nice. Okay, that's better. It's a much cleaner cut. Are we ready? Nice. We have got a break, but again, I don't want this because this was left over in the mold. Nice. Look at that. That is a smart break. That is about as straight a line as you're going to get. So I'm just going to chip off this end and we will roll. We will roll with this very, very straight edge. It is demold time for this one. This is the first one I did. It's just going past hot now, so I'm happy that it's going to come out okay. Now there might be some overlap, and if there is, we're gonna have to sand, but we shall see. I did actually put some pressure on this part here. I don't know if you could see me holding it down. I don't know if that's going to work, but I'm not a sander. I'm not a lover of sanding, so if this technique does require a lot of sanding, I can't see me doing it that often. Ooh. Okay, that's not so bad. Can we chip that away? Okay, this is the only bit that overlapped or went under, seeped under, but you see how crisp this line is? It is nice. You don't necessarily get that when you pour two colours at once. But yeah, there you go. That's the first snap test done. Okay, same with this one. It's so weird because this is freezing cold. This is really hot. So I'm going to see, can it come out? Yeah, I'm going to say it can come out. This is when it's going to crack, when I really don't want it to crack. But fingers crossed, it's okay. And a few people have told me they've got a lot of cracking lately when they demold. My advice really is turn it upside down like this. You know, it takes the pressure off, and well, she says as it snaps, but it hasn't yet. It hasn't yet. And there we go. Ooh, that is nice. That is such a cool, crisp line. The way I see these working, maybe you would have a vinyl personalised sticker here, or your name, or something like that. But lovely, love it. Now we're going to see about the yellow and the black. Now I already know some yellow has gone under because I can see it here. So let's go. The yellow and black has been left quite a long time, but let's see how much seepage there was, because I know it seeped. Ooh. Okay, close up, you can see how the yellow seeped under. All of this here is seepage, all of this here, and here, and here. But how funky does that look? That looks really cool. So now you really want to go in with the sander and get this back. I'm not going to spend the rest of the video sanding this back, but I am going to do more videos on sanding. Now you can see this overlap here and here. You want to use water, and you want your waterproof sandpaper, and you just want to sand until this is a defined black and yellow line. But like I said, I'm not going to sand this whole plate in this video. That would make this video an hour long, and nobody wants that. So just to show you, you want to kind of go in circular motions. Here is what it looks like after 15 minutes of sanding those clean lines, and here are the areas that I still have to do. But actually this area and here and across here only took me about 15 minutes, so it's a little bit of work, but gorgeous and totally worth it. Now I hope you have enjoyed that video and you found it really helpful. If you're wondering what happened to the coaster, I gave up on the coaster, okay? I figured this would be enough to show you how to snap, how not to snap, and what the results look like. I really do love the finish technique. For me, it's just a little bit more effort than I'm enjoying right now, but I'm glad I could share this with you, and I hope you've enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one, which will be Saturday. Take care, everyone. Bye.